The demand and supply Pantheon formula is closely related to the quantity of goods or service demanded and the price. The demand and supply Pantheon also show the quantity of goods or service with other factors that influence them. In economy, demand and supply show the relationship between whose quantity of commodity the producer want to sell at various prices and the quantity the consumer want to buy. The demand and supply formula is usually used to determine prices. The price of goods or service is determined by demand and supply in the market. The final price of a good or service is the result of an agreement between the producer and consumer. The quantity of goods or service offered by producer is equal to the quantity demanded by consumer. If not, an imbalance with which can make the quantity of goods too large or too small, or the price too low or high. What is the demand Pantheon? The demand Pantheon is Pantheon that shows the relationship between price and the quantity of goods or service demand. The demand Pantheon is taken from the buyer perspective. The demand Pantheon formula is used to analyze consumer behavior and the price of goods or service. Affecting the return Pantheon, the following are several factors that influence the demand Pantheon. Number one, consumer income is the target market. If the average consumer in your target market has weak income, then you can set product price that curtains similar product. But if average incomes are low or total similar goods and service also at much lower price, setting very high price don't make sense. Therefore, determining the right product price must be priced by research into the market or consumer segment being target. If you correctly determine price, cost will result consumer will have income may be able to buy any good. However, income is low, the favor of your product will be priced because the segmentation is too narrow. To availability and price of substitute or complementary product. The price and quantity of product available on the market can also be influenced by the availability of goods and the price of substitutes of complementary product on the market. An explain of substitute product is for explain a car where full price and availability will decrease as more and more electric cars are sold on the market. Chapter features and explain of complementary product that influences the demand Pantheon is that the high price allows consumer interest in buying cars with to direct. Another explain is the scarcity of smartphones set production which make smartphone availability source and price risk. Formula because the demand Pantheon is always inversely proportional. To calculate the demand Pantheon and bend the curve, you can use the following demand Pantheon formula. What is the Pantheon of the offer? The supply Pantheon is Pantheon to show the relationship between price and the quantity of goods service offered by product. The supply Pantheon between price and the quantity of goods offered by product as positive relationship or is directly proportional to bidding Pantheon used instead and from the seller perspective. An explain of bidding Pantheon is for explain if you are selling cooking oil when the price rises, you as seller will sell out the cooking oil stock to make big profit. If the price of cooking oil falls, then you don't sell a lot of cooking oil stock because the profit you get is not big. Over Pantheon. The following are several factors that influence the bidding Pantheon. Number one, production and service operational cost. High production cost means producer will sell favor good at higher price if you are forced to sell in the same price range competitor. The quantity of good operate will be less. Manufacturer don't dare to sell more product because if they don't sell, their loss will increase and they won't be able to cover the high production costs. Number two, company objective. The price of goods and the quantity of it depend on the company goal. For example, company whose orientation is to seek maximum profit will tend to sell product with high profit margin. Thereby making product is expensive. Company that prioritize the importance of selling product will take less profit, so that product prices are cheaper when to market. The goal is to make product sell better and dominate the market. Consumer prefer cheap prices over Fantion formula because the simply Fantion is always directly proportional to calculate the supply Fantion and find curve. You can use the following supply Fantion formula. Conclusion: the Fantion of demand and supply is important to know when doing business. The goal is that producers do not produce too many goods or cheap price to hit or low, looking at the demand and the supply. Your field formula can help you get maximum profit.